आएगी।
Meanwhile, there's also a lot of politics over the Prime Minister's announcement yesterday. The opposition has lashed out at Prime Minister Modi, saying even the Supreme Court found the vaccination policy to be irrational and arbitrary.
तरह तरह के स्वर उठे, जैसे कि वैक्सीनेशन के लिए एज ग्रुप क्यों बनाए गए। दूसरी तरफ किसी ने कहा कि उम्र की सीमा आखिर केंद्र सरकार ही क्यों तय करे।
A policy declaration with a stiff dose of politics. That was the thrust of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's address to the nation on Monday, his ninth since the pandemic began in early 2020. While announcing that the centre was taking back control of procurement of vaccines, the Prime Minister took aim at the non-BJP ruled states.
सभी को मुफ्त वैक्सीन लगाने के मार्ग पर देश आगे बढ़ रहा था। इस बीच कई राज्य सरकारों ने फिर कहा कि वैक्सीन का काम डिसेंट्रलाइज किया जाए। आज ये निर्णय लिया गया है कि राज्यों के पास वैक्सीनेशन से जुड़ा जो 25% काम था, उसकी जिम्मेदारी भी भारत सरकार उठाएगी।
Modi said from June 21 onwards, the centre would buy 75% of the vaccines and distribute it free to the states. 25% of the doses will still be available to private hospitals. It was a scathing response by the Prime Minister to repeated attacks by opposition. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi, in a letter to the Prime Minister, had sought more say to state governments in vaccine procurement and distribution. Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee had in April demanded that states be allowed to buy doses directly. While states welcomed the move to centralized vaccine purchase, the opposition party said the Prime Minister had realized that the earlier policy was flawed.
प्रधानमंत्री आज भी अपने मुंह मियां मिट्ठू बने रहे। सबको निःशुल्क टीकाकरण की कांग्रेस पार्टी और देशवासियों की मांग ना मानकर मोदी सरकार ने एक जघन्य अपराध किया है, जिससे लाखों भारतीयों को अपनी जान से हाथ धोना पड़ा।
अंततः सुप्रीम कोर्ट की डांट खाने के बाद केंद्र सरकार होश में आई है, अपनी कुंभकर्णी निद्रा से जागी है।
As India gears up for a third wave and lots of people await vaccination, vaccination drive is gaining political color yet again. The fact is that ahead of assembly elections in key states, perhaps vaccination drives could be used as a political tool by parties to further their agenda. This is Mosmi Singh in Delhi for India Today.